Hi guys and welcome to Simply Scuba. So we have done with 2019, we have seen it all in full, so of course now is the time to look back and kind of think about things. So what we're going to be doing in today's video is looking at our best-selling items for 2019. Now basically you guys have done all the work for me by buying the stuff, so that makes my life a little bit easier, but there's going to be some caveats in this. So basically I'm going to be going through all the best-selling sort of items through the main kind of departments, from the masks and regulators, dive computers, fins and BCDs, but we are going to be excluding Simply Scuba products because that's a little unfair. Even though quite a lot of them were in the top 5, we just don't think that you guys would believe us if we sort of made it all Simply Scuba products. So anyway, let's take a close look at our best-selling products for 2019. Okay, so kicking off the list, we're going to be looking at masks, and our best-selling mask for 2019 was again the Tusa Seos mask. So this is a very nice mask, but one of the main reasons why it comes right at the top of our list is because you can fit prescription lenses into it, and if you have sort of dodgy eyesight, you need to adjust your vision, you need glasses, then yeah, you can swap out those lenses, and it comes in a whole bunch of different colors, so you can really match your style. Now the benefit to this over other masks that do sort of come with prescription lenses, that it comes with the freedom skirt, so these little dimples just means that it's going to sit really comfortably on your face and it's going to fit more face shapes. Taking a look at fins, and the Scuba Pro Seawing Novo smashed it this year. Again, lots of different colors, and it's a very funky style. So this is a hinged fin, so it kind of feels floppy when you're in the water, but when you actually notice it, you are shifting through. It's a very clever design. It's sort of nice and flat as well, so it travels quite easy, relatively light, and this sort of monoprene material is sort of really strong, so this has quickly risen to one of our best-selling fins. In for the dive computer category, our best-selling dive computer was the Zoop Novo. So yeah, this is very much entry-level dive computer, very easy to use, very simple, and yeah, it does what it's told. So there's no surprise that this is coming in at the top of our list. So this is where most divers actually start, and yeah, they've upgraded it in the Zoop Novo, so it's definitely worth looking at. Coming in at the top of the regulator category was the Scuba Pro S620Ti with the MK25 first stage. And there's no real surprise for this because this is one of their most sort of recent sort of upgraded regulators. The second stage itself is kind of an amalgamation of all of their second stages just to make it more effective. It's kind of the S600, but with bits of the A700 and a few other sort of bits and bobs that are upgraded on the inside, which just makes it a really nice second stage. The MK25 Evo first stage is just beautiful. 5-port swivel turret, overbalanced and everything, cold water rated. It's light enough for travel, but you can use it in really cold water. Lovely, lovely regulator. No wonder that is at the top of our list. And finally, we're taking a look at the BCD category, and again, Scuba Pro hits the top of this list, and it's really in their real high-end Hydros Pro BCD. So this is very different from any other BCD in that the materials themselves is the same monoprene as their fins, which makes it really super tough, but it also means that it dries instantly, and people have really gone in for this. It's nice because you can wear it into the colder waters, but you can also wear it in warm waters because it's soft against your skin, but also it's going to sort of add a bit of traction, a bit of grip onto your rash vest or your wetsuit, so the BCD isn't going to be shimming around. And again, you can color code it with the rest of your dive kit, so you can really personalize it. It's wing style as well, so that really hits the point for me. It holds you in a really nice position, and yeah, it's just a smart looking BCD. Okay, so there were our best-selling products for 2019, but what is your best-selling product for 2019? What piece of kit did you buy and just love to go scuba diving with? Let us know in the comments below. As ever, all of these bits and bobs are available on our website, simplyscuba.com, along with plenty of other things. If you want some Simply Scuba merchandise, then don't forget to head over to our Teespring store. Thanks for watching, and of course, safe diving. It is officially the holiday season, boys and girls, and you know what that means. Yes, Santa is coming, but also the 2020 lineup for new scuba diving equipment has been announced, and some clever new ideas are definitely popping up. But if you don't work in the industry, then you can often miss things as they come out. So most things are announced at DEMA,